Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this glamorous eye makeup look with gold glitter, and it's a requested look from one of my sweetest follower. So let's get started. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, taking this shade name Wasted from BPERFECT's Carnival Pro Palette in collaboration with Stacey. Starting off by applying the eye shade on my crease first, then on my lid, adding shade gradually for more pigmented look. Same on the other eye. This brush is from Morphe brushes, this shade named Reckless, and here I am creating some dab to my crease area. Now, taking the shade named the Hype and blending the purple crease area, adding color and blend it as well. Applying nude shade to soften the edges. This brush is from Morphe brushes, taking this shade named Stacey, blending the nude shade, blending my crease with a very light hand. Using lights out shade to make it look a little bit dark on my lid. Taking this gold glitter from UCANBE Starry palette and applying the glitter to half of my lid. Taking the same brush and purple shade named Wasted, blending the outer corner. This mascara is from BEVERLY Cosmetics. They are real. Applying on my lashes. This brush is from a drugstore. Applying the same shade Wasted to smoking out my lower lash line. Applying Fair Play to highlight my brow bone. So this is a complete look. I hope you will all like it. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.